to Chaitanya Academy. The modern technological society takes pride in being very rational, being very logical. That logic and reason is the foundation of our worldview. But there's a problem with this. The problem is that logic is an instrument that can be applied to facts in order to understand the subject in more depth. But logic itself cannot be the basis. It needs some facts to begin with, and then that instrument can process those facts. We can logically process them. So, logic itself has no basis. Taka pratishtanat, it is said in Sanskrit. Logic itself cannot be the basis, because it needs some given facts, and then logic can be applied to those facts in order to discover their implied conclusions. So, we need some foundation upon which we can add our power of reason. So that, what is that foundation? If we take our sense perception, what we can see, to be the foundation, and that is, which is the predominant paradigm today of logical positivism. If we take our perceptions to be the foundation upon which we apply the faculty of logic, then we should recognize that our senses are perceiving effects. And those effects have a cause. And those causes, they are the effects of another cause and another cause. And it goes on and on and on, beyond the horizon of our sense perception. And therefore, if the foundational facts on which we base our logic are actually only effects, but not ultimate causes, then we are only using appearances as the foundation. And when the appearance is the foundation of reason, then reason itself becomes only the appearance of reason. It is not true logic. It is not truly rational. It only gives the veneer, the appearance of reason. And therefore, it is said in the Gospel according to John, in the beginning was the Logos. Logos means the divine reason of God. In the beginning was the Logos. The Logos was God and was with God. And that Logos became flesh. And that was Jesus Christ. The principle is that Jesus Christ is the incarnation of God's divine reason, which is not based on appearances. And we can also add that all the great spiritual masters throughout history who have realized God, each is the incarnation of divine reason to appeal to us that we will think very deeply and go beyond appearances to discover the substance of reality.